Can you set Lyft home and work address? Can you set Lyft? Can you set home and work addresses on Lyft? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft app, you'd be able to see a home page which will look something like this. Here, if you have your home or work station added, you'd be able to see them over here. However, if you want to add them, you want to simply tap on this "Where are you going" option, and by doing so, you'd be able to see an option called Saved Places over there. You want to simply tap on Saved Places and tap on Add Home over there. By doing so, you'll be able to enter your home addresses and tap on Save. And if you want to add your work address, you'll be able to repeat the process the similar way. And by doing so, your saved location will now appear as shortcuts when booking rides. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.